What's up, everybody? Tyler here, aka LessEcoMoreBoost. Welcome back to the channel. We have a lot of big things going on right now and a hell of a future in store for us. Let's talk about what we have right here behind me, because this is probably the most exciting one so far. We had a customer call us up from 1,600 miles away from here in Richmond, and he had contacted a lot of other dealers that were local to him after watching our first YouTube video on my own Explorer ST build that we got the idea for the LessEcoMoreBoost package. And like I said, none of the other dealers would do quite what he wanted to do, so he picked up the phone, called here at Max Motors, and happened to get Dylan on the phone, which you saw in the last video. And from there on out, we worked out details. We got the exact car that he wanted. He locked it in, got it bought. Then we had a conversation on the phone talking about all the modifications with his Explorer ST, and we got a perfect package locked in, and we couldn't be more excited about this. Now, once this vehicle is done, we're gonna give it the ceramic coat treatment. I gotta get this thing tinted. We're gonna pick the customer up from the airport, bring him to the dealership to see his vehicle and drive it for the very first time. And we're gonna get this all on film so you guys can see. And if anybody else is interested in one of these LessEcoMoreBoost packages, and this is something that intrigues you, get a hold of Dylan Wise here at Max Ford and we can get you set up. Let's talk about the modifications that we're gonna do. Starting in the front of the vehicle, we're going to be taking out the factory intercooler on this Explorer ST. They're kind of undersized and a little inefficient. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting on an intercooler kit. So I say kit because the 20 to 24s, you can just swap the intercooler. For the 25s, you actually need a kit with both sides of the charge pipes, and our friends at CvFab offer that. So that's what we're going to be using on here. CvFab intercooler kit for the 2025 Explorer ST. We're going to get rid of the factory Ford badges and the ST emblem. The Ford emblem is going to be satin black on the background, and the ring and the Ford is going to be all in gloss black. We're going to take off these ST badges and we're going to put some satin black badges on it. Underneath the hood, we're not going to be doing a whole lot, but we're going to be doing some aesthetically pleasing things. So this factory strut brace right here, we're going to be taking that off and putting on a strut brace from Houston Speed Freaks, and we're also going to be using Houston Speed Freaks undertray on this vehicle, which is going to get rid of like that carpety plastic looking thing underneath the car, and it's going to put an aluminum one up there. It's going to make it easier for oil changes and stuff. We're going to leave the stock intake on, but I am going to replace it with an AEM filter. The ECU over here, we're going to be putting an ECU cover on here just to kind of cover it up just a little bit, makes it look a little bit better. But as far as under the hood, that's basically all we got going. Moving over to the side of this vehicle, we are going to be lowering this down on some H&R springs. We're going to be taking off the factory wheels and tires. We're going to be putting on a set of 22 by 10.5 plus 30 offset in all four corners, super forged wheels. They're actually called the Classic, so they're going to really mimic what you would find on a 20 to 24 Explorer ST. The tires that we're going to put on these wheels are going to be Michelin Pilot Sports. They're going to be 295 45 22s. Back behind the wheels, you have the factory brakes, front and rear. We're going to be taking those factory brakes off, and we're going to be putting a big brake kit on all four corners of this vehicle, also from Super Forged. So it's going to look really good. Those are going to be in black. The wheels are going to be in a matte black. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, we're going to be putting an SS Tuning spoiler on there, just like you would see on my Explorer. We are also going to be putting a hitch cover on the back of this Explorer from Zeus 3D. And as far as exhaust goes, we're going to be taking off the stock exhaust and we're going to be putting on a thermal R&D exhaust 3-inch that's going to sound really, really good. We're going to be taking the factory Ford badge off of this vehicle and putting on a matching badge that goes here on the rear. Same with the ST emblem, just like we're going to be doing in the front. While we're here at the rear of the car, I also want to mention that we're going to be taking the factory rear sway bar off of this vehicle once we lower it to make it a little bit easier to change. And what we're going to be using instead is an AFEcontrol sway bar. And that's going to help stiffen this thing up in the corners. Now, all the things that I have mentioned so far, they are all going to be installed and happening right here at Max Ford in Richmond, Missouri. And I think that's what makes it so special, because the service manager, Sean Larkin, he likes to take these types of projects on. And it's really special because there's a lot of different places that wouldn't do any type of work like this whenever this dealership really embraces it. So between Sean, Brandon, the master mechanic back here, they do a great job, and we're gonna start digging into this thing really soon. And we can't wait to show you these updates. We're gonna do a little bit of a series on this, which is really exciting because we just got monetized on this channel. So me and Brad Pack Media behind the camera, really excited about that. It was wild how this actually came up, because I was actually on a trip, and I think it may have been a Ford trip in Michigan, and my buddy Dylan over here kept calling me because I didn't realize what had happened. So it was really neat how this customer saw the first YouTube video we did on my Explorer, and ended up getting a hold of Dylan. Do you want to talk anything? You want to talk about that, Dylan?
Oh yeah, so I get a phone call. It's about 5 o'clock here tonight. We close at 6, so it's slow down time. So I got time to sit down and meet this customer over the phone. He starts off with a question that he doesn't know how to ask, and it's from a distance away, can he order a car new from my dealership and get it, shipped 1,600 miles there? Kind of looking into it, I'm saying, hey, that's probably no problem. And as he starts going and starts talking about it, it starts clicking in my head what he's talking about. I'm like, hey, was it a guy named Tyler maybe by chance? And he starts freaking out. I said, yes, it was. I said, okay, cool, that's actually one of my good friends. And he goes, hey, are you Dylan? And that was me. It was kind of a lucky chance that I got to answer the phone then. So we started going through it. I was here until probably 8 o'clock that night on the phone, talking with him and just starting to write down everything that he wanted on this Explorer. It was one of those things that I was so excited. I told him to give me a little bit. And I tried calling Tyler probably 7 times. When I'm at work, I'm pretty busy. I don't make those kind of calls. So I was like, hey man, answer your phone. Like, you gotta call me back. This is pretty exciting. So it was just a cool thing to see what we did just kind of as friends, everything he's trying to do to his own Explorer, the video that we made, and see it go where it's went so far. And from there, we just kind of had Tyler come over here. We got in the office one day, did a little meeting with him on the phone, and we all got together and started talking.
I think it's pretty wild that it went from that initial phone call, talking with our customer. His name is Brian, very nice man, very patient, knows what he wants, and went from that initial phone call to a rough draft of parts on paper. And from there, it went to being real and having actual physical parts over here on the shelf, which is not, I don't believe that's even half of them. We have a Ford Transit full of parts for this vehicle too. And so seeing it come from one YouTube video to a guy calling here at the dealership to making it happen in real life. So we're excited to get these parts slapped on this Explorer ST. We're excited about the video series. Stay tuned, watch this thing get built as we go. Appreciate you guys watching.